Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make these 3-ingredient brownies. Now, full disclosure, Richie, my husband, pointed out that maybe using box brownie mix is cheating and that doesn't necessarily count as one ingredient, but I count it as one ingredient. I'm using the Ghirardelli box brownie mix, and it comes with an extra packet of chocolate stuff to put in it. So if your brownie box comes with that kind of thing, just add it as well. So I did the box of brownie mix, a single egg, and we're doing an entire can of sweetened condensed milk. This recipe makes the fudgiest brownies you've ever had. If you like a fudgy brownie, this is the brownie recipe for you. So this is the packet of sauce that came with my Ghirardelli mix, and I'm just adding it right in. So I guess technically it's 4 ingredients, but not all recipes or not all box brownie mixes come with an extra packet of stuff. And then I'm just mixing that up, and I'm just using a hand mixer. You just want to mix it up until there's no more lumps. It is a little bit more difficult to mix up than a regular batter just because it doesn't have a lot of liquid, and sweetened condensed milk is very kind of stiff. But just give it a second. It'll get all mixed up. And once it gets to about this stage, that's when you know you're done. No more lumps. It's smooth mix. It did have some chunks of chocolate in it, so it was a little bit lumpy. So because these brownies are so fudgy and so sticky, I decided to do a spray and also parchment paper, just in case. And also using a parchment paper like this just allows you to lift the brownies right out of the pan. They'll cool a little bit faster if you take them out of the oven, you give it a few minutes, like 10 minutes to let them cool down some. And then you take the paper out, they'll cool faster. And then you don't have to worry about trying to scoop brownie out of the pan and maybe damaging the other brownies around it. So I just thought it was easier. Pour everything into your pan once you have it prepared and then put it in the oven. My box said 325 for, I think it was 40 to 45 minutes. And after about 45 minutes, this is what they look like. You want to let them cool completely. So this is 45 minutes and plus 30 minutes to let them cool completely. This just helps lock in moisture. If you try to cut them when they're fresh out of the oven, they're going to fall apart. You want to let them cool down, and it'll help keep all of that steam inside, extra moisture, extra fudgy. Anyways, these were so good. They had the best papery crust on the top. The crust on the top was perfect. I can't say enough good things about this. It was so easy to make, and especially if maybe you only have 1 egg left, a single box of brownies, and a can of sweetened condensed milk in your pantry. You can make brownies. These were so good. If you want to see more, be sure to check out loavesandishes.net, and thanks for watching. Bye.